to deselect our selected target by either pushing a button like escape or any other button, and we want to be able to click 2 times out here and deselect that way. So the first thing we're going to open is Visual Studio in our script, which is on our the player select script. We open the player select script, and we're gonna make here a public key code and call it remove target, and save that one. And then we're gonna go down here and say if see here we have if selected NPC is not equal to none, and we make a double and. So this means when it's doubled, it means and, yeah, instead of one. So, and then we're gonna say input dot get key down, and we're gonna say what key. We're gonna do remove target key, and if those requirements are true, what's gonna happen then? Selected NPC will be equal to nothing. So if we have something selected and we push the remove target key, we will make the selected to nothing. And just to show, we're gonna say print removed target by key. So we can see that we have printed it by key. Yeah. And we need this. There we go. And then we're gonna save it, go into our game, let it compile. Oops, to compile. Oh, I needed to assign a key. So we're gonna go onto the player, look here that we have a remove target, and we can click on it, and then we can click what key we wanted. In this case, I want it to be escape, so I pick escape. But you can pick any key you want. So I'm gonna click on the target here, and I picked the NPC, and I'm gonna push escape, and it's now not selected. I can do the same here, and it's not selected. Same here, and not selected. The next option we have is to click 2 times. Okay, so now when that is working, we're gonna look at how can we deselect with clicking the button 2 times. So we're gonna go into our script again, and here we're gonna make a public float and call it 2-click timer. I'm gonna make a public bool, call it have clicked 2 times. And then we're gonna go down on the void update and say if selected NPC is not equal to null and the 2-click timer is greater than 0. Well, then what? Well, first of all, we're gonna say that the 2-click timer is minus this equal to time, that delta time, so it will count down. And else I'm gonna say they have click 2 times to false. That's the one part of it. I'm gonna say if these twos can we say these two are met, that we have a target and the timer is greater than 0, then start counting down, and if you cannot count down, if you hit 0, then set it to false. And then we go down here in our function and we say okay, we have this, and if you what it's doing down there. We're gonna take it up a bit so it's more nice. Say else. So else what? If we don't hit the target, that's what we're gonna do then. If we don't hit the target, we're gonna say that we wanted to. Say the else if we have a target, so selected NPC is not equal to null, then what are we going to do if we click and we have a target? Well, if we have a target, we're going to say if we have a target, and if have click 2 times is equal to false. Then have click 2 times is equal to true. So when we're clicking, it goes true, and the 2 click timer will be 0.4. How much the timer is, you can kind of decide for yourself. It can be 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, depending on how much time you want the player to have to click 2 times. So you can change that by yourself, but I like 0.4. Else we're gonna say else print removed target by clicking, and we need go down here. We need oops, there we go. Just put these in brackets, and then we're gonna say selected NPC is equal to null because we deselected it, so it needs to be nothing. And we have to say have click 2 times equals false. So we can do it again. And the 2 time clicker, of course, is to 0. So if we have a target and the click 2 timers is above 0, then the 2 click timer have to start counting down. And if it makes to 0, we have to say it's false. But if we have selected a target and the timer is 2 click timers is false, then we set it true and we set the timer, so it starts to count down from here. And if we make it, we're gonna print remove target by clicking, and we will remove the target, and we will reset it by this. Yeah, so this will be our code for this, and we will just decompile. Start the game, and then we have here with click player we have our target, we have the 2 click timer and have click. So you see if click here starts to count down, and it doesn't remove the target because I only click once, but if I click 2 times within 0.4 it will remove. So I can click between them and 2 times and here, 2 times here, but if I click 2 times here, I remove it. So now I can click and remove, and I can push button and remove. So this is 2 easy videos to how to select and deselect. If you have any comments, please say so and write it, and if you want to support it, go to Patreon. You're welcome to suggest videos that you like to see. I would like to make like simple videos so everyone can follow and apply it to their games. So there will be some minor code issues because this kind of coding is not totally clean, but you can clean it up if you want. But it's like the basic understanding of how it works. Yeah.